Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Facebook and read the lock notification carefully to learn the reason. The message often states security checks, unusual activity, or identity verification. Note the exact date and device used when you last logged in. Record any error codes that appear on screen for later reference. Prepare one government ID, like a passport or driver license, and a clear selfie photo for identity checks. Keep file sizes under 5 megabytes and images clear with readable text. Go to the Facebook Help or Recovery page and choose the Locked Account option. Request a 6-digit code to be sent to your registered email or phone number now. If code delivery fails, choose the identity upload path and follow the prompts. Upload documents using Facebook's secure upload page within 24 hours to avoid expiration. After verification, follow the prompts to reset your password to a strong, unique phrase. Save the new password in a secure manager immediately. If verification fails, file an appeal using Facebook's support form and explain the situation. Include a clear selfie alongside your ID to speed manual review. Expect a response within 3 to 10 days, depending on volume and country. Once restored, enable two-factor authentication and register a backup email and phone number. Record 3 trusted contacts for future recovery and review active sessions for unfamiliar devices. Finally, log out any devices you do.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.